Hey, this is Dave at houseparents.com. Today we're going to unbox the SimpliSafe security system and show you each of the pieces individually. So let's get started. Alright, we'd already taken out the base station, and this is what it looks like. It comes in either white or black. And in this box came the rest of the stuff. Get your yard signs, and there's also window stickers that show that you have this monitoring system. And we purchased this completely a la carte. You can get either packages or you can buy the pieces individually to suit your particular needs. The setup guide comes within the package, and the best suggestion is to follow the setup guide. They have a lot of good pointers. This is the carbon monoxide detector. Again, these all work together. So there's the carbon monoxide detector. And you notice when you open these up that they all come with tags in them that when we're getting ready to activate, we'll pull this tab out, and this goes in between the contacts between the actual device itself and the batteries. And when we pull that out, it starts the battery's life running. And here's the keypad. And this feels pretty substantial right off the bat. As you can feel it, it seems like it's well built. They come with all these sticky tabs that you can mount it with the sticky tabs or with a screw, depending on how you would like to do it. Here's the simpliCam video doorbell, and it's similar to the others on the market, and it comes separated from its controlling plate. And this actually is hardwired to your existing doorbell, but we'll get to that in just a second. And this is our simpliCam cam, and we've got two of the simpliCam cameras. And then in the bottom of the box comes a couple boxes of the stakes for the yard sign. This piece would go into the ground. This piece would actually hold the sign, and it would be driven in this way. And this is an extension, say if it was going over a bush or something like that. We got 5 of these entry sensors. These can be used on doors that open and close, doors that slide open or closed, or windows. And the nice thing about these is they're very adaptable. And they come in 2 pieces. You can see those 2 pieces there. And so long as these are within 2 inches of each other, they'll detect when they get further away, as a door, say, is sliding this way, opening, or opening this way, or say a window. When these 2 pieces separate further than 2 inches, it activates the alarm. And finally is our motion detector. And they say these should be put in the corners of your rooms, and they look 90 degrees. They look 90 degrees, which would be that direction and that direction, plus also 45 degrees down. And there's a way that you can set these up to where pets won't automatically trigger them, and so we'll get to that in just a bit. So this is our entire setup. So let's go ahead and get started installing it. I hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you next time.